Still raining. Still raining. Still very much raining. Remember when I said I was looking forward to the rainy season here in Zambia? Yeah, I think I changed my mind. Hi, welcome to Morgan Through a Lens. I'm Morgan. Today is a semi-weekly vlog. I just kind of threw together some clips from the last week or so that I thought would give you a better insight into my life here in Zambia. I haven't really been doing much in the new year. I think we can all agree that 2021 is not the year that we expected it to be. So yeah, I haven't been doing much at all. The only thing that I've really been looking forward to each week are my horseback riding lessons. I ride about 2 or 3 days a week. I ride here on the farm with Alec, and that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. But I've also started jumping lessons. I haven't filmed those yet, but I'm going to try to convince Alex to come with me next week to film.
It was summer. We were skipping rocks down by the river. My hot red heart was so on fire when I heard you laugh on the drive home. You let your hair blow out the window, closed your eyes and finally let go. Said it's a shame that nothing lasts. Oh, I wish it could be this simple forever. All the leaves had started burning. They were bracing for the fall. We both promised as we packed our separate boxes, headed in different directions, that we'd always chase the sun. One way or
and Zambia has just like popped, really. Everything is so green and vibrant. If you watch some of my older videos, especially from like October, November time, everything is just dead and brown, and now it's really just popped. It's amazing. And with the rainy season has come an abundance of animals, and just the animals that were already here are just so much more alive. We have a bird's nest behind an old satellite dish that we don't use anymore. In the video, you can kind of see the top of a little white head. It's so cute. I tried to get closer, but then the mother attacked me, so that's as good as you're gonna get. The rainy season has also brought out these giant snails that stick to everything. They climb up the walls of our house. They're all over the yard. They're actually kind of cute, and when you touch their little antenna, I guess, they like pop back into their head. It's really cute. In addition to all the other animals just really coming to life in this rainy season, the horses are really vibing. They are just having so much fun rolling around in the field and in the long grass. I think they really enjoy it. And when they get really hot, they splash themselves with their drinking water. It's very cute. Nest on our door for the longest time, and we were going to remove it, but we were so curious what type of nest it was. We thought maybe it was a spider's nest or a slug nest. Well, it turns out it is a praying mantis nest. I mean, just never even crossed my mind. We saw some of the babies hatching, and it was really cute. Months ago, when Alex was going to the bathroom really early in the morning, he found a teeny tiny little dormouse in our toilet, just kind of like floating there, swimming for its life. We rescued it and released it, and then just recently there was another dormouse, but in our other toilet, and it was also like just very weak and kind of swimming, but hanging on to like the edge of the toilet bowl. So we rescued it, we let it stay inside all day to dry off and sleep, and then we released it that night because they are nocturnal, and she was really, really, really cute. Hi, Doris. Oh my God, she's so tiny. It's okay. We love you. Should we put her like on a tree or something? dormice, go! Look at her go!
You got no problem for snakes.
I don't know why we keep finding dormice in our toilet, but they're really cute, so I'm not mad about it. We've also had an abundance of chameleons out and about. I posted on my Instagram reel a little video of Alex and I rescuing a chameleon from the road. And the other day I was driving by myself and there was a chameleon crossing the road. I saw a car coming straight for it, so I put my hand out the window and I'm screaming, stop, stop. Luckily the person did slow down and didn't run over the chameleon, but when I tried to go rescue the chameleon and take him to the other side of the road, he tried to bite me. He was hissing at me and he was really angry and I accidentally dropped him. I feel really bad about it, but the alternative was leaving him to very slowly cross the road on his own and probably get hit by a car, so I think it's probably for the best. Mr. Chameleon, come on. Ah! Come on, go to the side. Go. Go, go. Oh no, he's going under the car. I work from home and every day these two birds fly to the window and just go berserk and start yelling at me. Every single day, around like 10:30 in the morning, they just come and yell at me. Alex thinks that they are yelling at their reflection in the window, but I think it's more fun to think that these two birds have a personal vendetta against me and just like to come and yell at me every day. Another thing that the Zambian rainy season has brought is not as cute as the dormice or the baby birds, but it's actually an abundance of snakes. I posted a YouTube video on this channel where we had a cobra in our house. That was really scary. And since then we have found like 5 other snakes in our yard. Luckily they weren't cobras and we don't think they were poisonous. We were drying out these really big tarps in our yard and every time you lift them up you're almost guaranteed to find a snake. They're actually kind of cute because I think they're babies, but yeah, just the idea of having that many snakes in your yard is a little bit unnerving, especially because I recently found a snake egg in our yard as well, which means they're breeding. Outside because I thought I heard a bird hit the window, and look what I found. What? If that's not a snake egg, I don't know what is. For size reference, here's my hand. Yeah, this is like soft, not hard like a chicken egg. Actually, I'm gonna put a poll in the cards and I want you guys to tell me if you think that's a snake egg. I'm convinced. All right guys, I hope you guys learned a little bit more about the rainy season here in Zambia because that's kind of what this video ended up turning into. If you have any other questions about my life here in Zambia or any video requests, please leave them in the comments section and I'll do my best to get to them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.